Hello friends, I Dr. Deepak Bhardwaj presenting a lecture on non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Here we give example of non-homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficient. In this equation, first three terms have second derivative and other two terms have first derivative. And coefficient of all derivative are constant, so it is non-homogeneous partial differential equation. Rules for finding complementary function. First, if d minus md dash minus a z equal to 0, then complementary function will be equal to e to the power ax phi 1 y plus mx. Rule 2, if d minus mb dash minus a whole square z equal to 0, then complementary function will be equal to e to the power ax phi 1 y plus mx plus x e to the power ax phi 2 y plus mx. We take example. Solve the following partial differential equation: d minus d dash d plus d dash minus 3 z equal to 0. Solution. Here the value of constant in first bracket is 0. So the complementary function will be equal to e to the power 0x. And the coefficient of d dash is minus 1. That is, the value of m is 1. The complementary function of first bracket is e to the power 0x phi 1 y plus x. Now see, in second bracket the constant value is 3, so complementary function will be e to the power 3x and the value of m is minus 1, so phi 2 y minus x. Same as in example, in first bracket d plus d dash minus 1, the constant value is minus 1, so we use e to the power x, and the coefficient of d dash is plus 1, so the value of m is minus 1. The complementary function is e to the power x phi 1 y minus x. In second bracket d plus 2d dash minus 2, the constant value is 2, so e to the power 2x, and the coefficient of d dash is plus 2. It means the value of m is minus 2. The complementary function for this bracket is e to the power 2x phi 2 y minus 2x. Example number 3. The given differential equation d square plus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 z equal to 0. So we factorize it. We take minus 1 with d square minus 1 plus, and take a common d dash, d plus 1 z equal to 0, and the d square minus 1 is equal to d plus 1 and d minus 1. So it is equal to d minus 1 into d plus 1 plus d dash d plus 1. We take d plus 1 as a common. We get the other common is d plus d dash minus 1 z equal to 0. Here the first bracket, the constant value is 1, so e to the power minus 1, and the d dash is not present, then the value of m is 0, that is phi 1 y plus 0x. And next bracket, the constant value is minus 1, so e to the power x, and the value of m is minus 1 because of the coefficient of d dash is 1, so we take y minus x. That the complementary function will be equal to e to the power minus x phi 1 y plus e to the power x phi 2 y minus x. Particular integral. Here for finding particular integral, we apply same method as we apply in homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficient. We take an example. solve d square minus dd dash plus dz equal to 1. First we factorize the left hand side of this. We take d as a common. We get d minus d dash plus 1 z equal to 1. We find out the complementary function for the first part. Here the constant is not available and the d dash is not available, so it's the complementary function is phi 1 y. In the second part, here the value of constant is 1, so we take e to the power minus x, and the coefficient of d dash is minus 1, that is the value of m is 1. So the complementary function will be equal to phi 1 y plus e to the power minus x, phi 2 y plus x. Now we find out the value of particular integral. The particular integral is equal to 1 upon d minus d dash plus 1. Here we cannot apply any formula, so we take 1 as e to the power 0x plus 0y. It means the coefficient of x is 0 and the coefficient of y is 0. So we have to put d equal to 0 and d dash equal to 0. The denominator is 0, so we differentiate d square minus dd dash plus d by d and multiplying by x. And the particular integral x equal to e to the power 0x plus 0y, and the differential of denominator is 2d minus d dash plus 1. Now again putting d equal to 0 and d dash equal to 0, because the coefficient of x is 0 and the coefficient of y is 0 in e to the power 0x plus 0y. Then the particular integral will be equal to x into e to the power 0x plus 0y upon 1 is equal to x. Then the general solution z equal to complementary function plus particular integral is equal to phi 1 y plus e to the power minus x, phi 2 y plus x plus x. Another example. Here we want to solve the differential equation d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 z equal to cos x plus 2y. First we factorize the left hand side. We get the d minus 1 into d minus d dash plus 1 z equal to cos x plus 2y. Now find out the complementary function for first part. Here the value of constant is minus 1. So we take e to the power x, and the coefficient of d dash is not present here. It means the value of m is 0. Then phi 1 y plus 0x, it means phi 1 y. In the second bracket, the constant value is 1. So we take e to the power minus x, and the coefficient of d dash is minus 1. That is the value of m is 1. So phi 2 y plus x. Now we find out the particular integral cos x plus 2y upon d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. Here we apply the same formula as we apply in homogeneous partial differential equation. In place of d square we put minus a square, that is minus 1. In place of d dash square we put minus b square, that is the coefficient of y is b, is equal to minus 4, and the dd dash is equal to minus 2. Now we are applying this. The particular integral is equal to cos x plus 2y upon, in place of d square we put minus 1, in place of dd dash we put minus 2, and we can't put as in place of d dash. So on calculation we get the particular integral is equal to cos x plus 2y upon d dash, and we know very well 1 upon d dash means integration with respect to y. Now integrated it with respect to y. The integration of cos is sine x plus 2y, and the again integration x plus 2y is upon 2. That is the particular integral is equal to sine x plus 2y upon 2, and the general solution is equal to cf plus pi equal to e to the power x phi 1 y plus e to the power minus x phi 2 y plus x plus sine x plus 2y upon 2. Thank you.